our facilities. Redevelopment is central to this vision. As the development of the Academy of the Philippines Center, Conference Center, has faithfully catered generations of public servants over the years, it must now evolve into a more accessible, more sustainable space that can keep up with modern learning demands. Central to this transformation is the new training building, expanding our capacity for high-quality learning programs, and together with our existing facilities, creating more responsible environments for government institutions and public leaders. Lahat ito, they will support our plan, our new strategic plan to expand the services of DAP. Nandiyan na yung ating scaling ng PFDP, nandiyan na yung expansion natin activities towards training the youth leaders, future youth leaders, expanding our services to cater to other government agencies. So, the future of DAP as a global leader in government executive education, as a leader in governance and productivity, all support our efforts to modernize and preserve our facilities. Our goal is clear: to keep the Development Academy of the Philippines Conference Center a relevant, world-class venue for public sector learning and leadership. One that continues to inspire innovation, foster collaboration, and empower leaders to serve the Filipino people. As we unveil this Development Academy of the Philippines letters today, may they serve not only as a symbol of our proud legacy, but also as a declaration of our collective aspirations. They remind us that while we honor our past, we remain firmly focused on building a stronger, more resilient, and future-ready academy. Future-ready. Mabuhay ang Development Academy of the Philippines at mabuhay tayo lahat. Maraming salamat.